Senator Marcoleta, his son, Congressman Marcoleta, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, para mag-bonding kami lahat sa Pag-asa, no? Magtampisaw kami sa dagat ng Pag-asa Island. So far, wala pa naman tayong nare-receive na response, no? Other than yesterday, yung nagbabanggit ng debate muna si Senator Marcoleta before he can join me for an MDA flight. Pero sinagot na rin natin yan yesterday. I don't think that it is necessary for us to debate on something that is already ours, right? And for Justice Carpio, I think he will be willing to have a debate with Senator Marcoleta. But as of this time, wala pa naman tayong narinig whether Senator Marcoleta is confirming na kakasa siya sa debate na ipinapaset ni Justice Carpio sa kanya.
Sir, kasama na din po ba sa invitation natin si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano?
Well, if Senator Alan Peter Cayetano would also be willing to join the MDA flight, then he can also join, no? Senator Marcoleta, his son, Congressman Marcoleta, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, para mag-bonding kami lahat sa Pag-asa, no? Magtampisaw kami sa dagat ng Pag-asa Island.
Ano po yung gusto niyo makita po nila doon sa Kalayaan Island Group?
Well, para sa akin, ang pinakamahalagang dapat makita natin doon is yung presensya ng komunidad ng Pilipino. Makakita sila ng mga kabataan doon na nakatira sa Pag-asa. I think that is very important for them to see and witness na meron tayong mga kababayan dito, that these are the people that we need to defend and to support, at hindi natin dapat ipamigay ang Kalayaan Island Group.